Hello, this is Mike. I'm professional with ice machine. Here I'm making a video to show a 3-ton body capacity Flake ice machine with a split design. The ice generator and the cooling unit will be located in different areas. The ice generator will be located inside the user's facility, and this cooling unit will be located outside of his facility. Let's walk around this ice system. We can see the system is in function and the ice is coming out from the generator. Later we're going to collect some ice flakes to check the quality of ice made by the machine. The cooling unit is equipped with 2 cooling fans. Currently the ambient temperature is very low, so only one cooling fan is working. This fan will be put into use when the ambient temperature is higher. In winter, one fan is more than enough. And the system will automatically off and on the cooling fan by itself. The control panel is with an ice generator, so it's easy to off and on the system. It's more convenient for the user. The installation will be very simple. The user just needs to collect 2 copper pipes, 1 gas inlet, gas outlet pipe, only 2 copper pipes between the ice generator and the cooling unit. The machine is equipped with a beta piston compressor. This is the details. Okay, let's collect some ice flakes to check the quality of the ice. Ice is very dry, well frozen. Good quality ice flakes. Okay, so this is all I want to shoot about my 3-ton body capacity Flake ice machine with the split design. And this is how it looks inside the generator. Okay.